Hello there. Welcome to Watcher's Digest. The human brain is responsible for keeping your body running all day long. It not only helps people think and learn new things, but it also controls your movement and speech too. The brain is part of the central nervous system and receives tons of information. Make some room in your noggin for these surprising brain facts you need to know. Fact number 1. The brain itself can't feel pain. Ever wonder how brain surgeons are able to perform surgeries on patients while they're awake? Even though the brain has layers of coverings and blood vessels that contain pain receptors, the brain itself has zero. When a person has a headache, the muscles and skin surrounding the brain are what are feeling the pain. Fact number 2. You actually do use most of your brain, most of the time. The film Limitless with Bradley Cooper is just the latest version of the myth that we only use 10% of our brain. The fact is, most of your brain is constantly working to sense, process, think, move, and even dream. Even when you head to sleep at night, your brain is still hard at work. Fact number 3. Almost half of a child's energy goes to fuel his or her brain. In order for the brain to stay running at top notch, it requires significant amounts of energy. And this is even more true for young children who are still learning, processing, and developing at a fast rate. Scientists at Northwestern University discovered recently that in the preschool years, when a child's brain development is faster, physical growth is slower, possibly to save more energy for the developing brain. Conversely, during puberty, when physical growth is faster, brain development is slower, which may come as no surprise to parents of teenagers. Fact number 4. Exercise is just as good for your brain as it is for your body. Professional athletes know how important fueling their brain is to ensure they're able to put maximum effort and energy into their workouts. Especially when you try a new fitness class or regimen for the first time, your brain is working hard at learning emotions and controlling your muscles. Fact number 5. Brain scans can light up when a person is in love. Some may think that being in love is only an idea or merely a term people use, but brain scans reveal otherwise. For people who are romantically in love, functional MRI brain scans can show activity where dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is present. Other areas in the brain associated with pleasure and reward can also show greater activity for people who have fallen in love. Fact number 6. Your brain is smaller than your ancestors. This might be one of the scariest of these brain facts when you really think about it, but research suggests that our brains are shrinking. Skeletal evidence from every inhabited continent backs up this theory. Some scientists suggest that this may be related to the fact that the average body size of humans has also shrunk in size over the last 10,000 years. A larger body requires a larger nervous system, so as our bodies grew smaller, so did our brains in response. Fact number 7. When you're awake, your brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. You heard it right. Neurons in the brain do make enough electricity to run a light bulb. 100 billions of cells generate this amount of energy. And the brain works fast, too, so fast that it's speedier than the world's greatest computer. The information going to your brain from your arms and legs travels at 150 miles per hour. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Click on subscribe button for more such videos.